Guys, good morning. Today is first day of work again. I am going back to office. Sorry, I am doing makeup and my boss will be here soon. He'll be here to get our machines. Actually, to see District 1 again and District 3. I am excited. This is it. I already had some breakfast. For everyone who is new to this channel, my name is Anna Francia. I am an overseas Filipino worker. I am from the Philippines. I am a 3D artist and I am on my way to work. I am going back. Let us be together today. Saigon has been locked down since July. It is October 11. I guess my boss is here now, guys. So I'm just gonna finish this and we'll be carrying our machines back to office. I already disassembled everything yesterday night. I guess he is downstairs now. Let us go, guys.
It's our first day of school. For me, there. I'm going on a field trip. See you in office! Ay, hindi. Travel pa tayo. Ano akong Beatles, member? Fit check. Holding. Para sa ekonomiya.
How was the holiday?
Fast. It's fast. To others, it feels slow.
You were working, so it wasn't boring at all.
currently eating snacky because I forgot to bring my snacks this morning. Let me just grab one bite. For this timeline, restaurants can only accommodate deliveries and takeaways, so dining out is still prohibited. So there is no point on going for a walk. So I just go straight from office going back here at home. The feeling was surreal, seeing again the city center one more time. Nothing really much happened this day. I am glad seeing my office mates, knowing that they are fine, they are healthy, and they are also vaccinated. As of now, Saigon is 97% on vaccination. That is awesome, and COVID cases are getting lower also. It is 1,000 cases per day, and that is significantly low than before. Again, Vietnam, especially here in Saigon, is slowly recovering. Let's see what's gonna happen on the next coming weeks. I am optimistic that it will improve. That's just it for now, guys. This is just a short vlog. I am happy and glad that you joined me for today, and if you want to see more of these videos, if you want to be with me in my journey here in Vietnam, please hit that subscribe button if you want to get notified on my next upload. Again, guys, I always say this: stay safe, get vaccinated, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!